Imphal West and Kangpopi District Police, along with Army units under the supervision of the General Officers Commander GOC of the 57 Mountain Divisions, are conducting extensive operation to localize from Kamal Babu Singh, a 56 years old resident of the Gosaipur, Udar Bones, Kachar District, Assam, currently residing in the Loitang Kunau, Imphal West. Singh was reported missing on November 25, 2024 from the Limakong area. Security forces have launched rigorous physical search operation in Limakong and its surrounding regions, leaving no stone unturned in their efforts to trace the missing individual. The search is being conducted in both the vulnerable hills and the valley district, with area domination operations underway to ensure comprehensive coverage. Joint operations have also been carried out in the Mongbung Meitei, Mongbung Kuki, Bali Juri, Kasimpur, and the Jorol Pokpi under Cheribam Police Station. Additionally, the search extends to Jakura Dhor, Part 1 and 2, and the Harinagar areas under Boro Bakra police stations in Cheribam district. The efforts reflect the dedication of the security forces to resolve this case as operations continue unabated.